Good morning, this is Winson. This is my eBingo API. This is how I use the code. First, I created a REST template here. This is provided by the Springboot framework. The next thing is I make a service, a page, and I also make a class here, which will connect my the API provided and get the result of the API both to the get card, which is get method, and the post card, which is also considered a get method. So after I use the link provided, which is this one and this one, I connect it with my controller, and this is where I make API out of a API. So I just return the generated card here, included with the token and the list of numbers of the bingo card. And for checking the winning combination, I just need to go to the winning card link and then input your winning card combination. So this is how we use it. First, we set localhost 3000. Then generate a card. And after we generate a card,
Yes. Yan. No lang siya.
just a moment, after generated a card, this is a generated card with a token. We can just input the generated card token here.
Green tractor.
So this is the combination. Winning card, question mark, player token is equal to
No Friday.
Wait, ano ba tama tayo?
Oo nga.
No,
This one. So 1 means a winning card and 0 means a losing card. Here, this is it means that this is a winning card. So that's it.
Nawala na.